In the spray can, I have a mixture of rose water and regular water. This just keeps the hair moist while I'm doing the comb coils so that I'm not ripping the client's hair. I'm doing the C-shape parting because it does give a fuller appearance once they are mature. Just remember that you can do squares, you can do diamonds, you can do the C-shape part. It's up to you. And the most important thing is the part to lock ratio. And what that means is you make the size of the part based on the size you want your lock to be once they do mature. Don't worry about how skinny they look when you do the comb coil. Shrinkage is real, we know it, you'll be fine. But you make the actual part the size that you want the locks. My husband asked me to install more than 100 locks, so keep watching to see how many we have. I work on both sides at the same time. That way, I don't end up with different sizes, and you're able to visually see that each lock is even, or as close to even as you can get. As far as which direction to turn the comb, I turn it clockwise. And that's probably because I'm right-handed. But it doesn't matter if you turn it clockwise or counterclockwise. What matters is that you do it the exact same way every time. So when the hair gets thicker and more mature and you start to do palm roll it in the direction that you have started the hair. That prevents breakage and thinning. When it comes to the front and the sides, I try to make the locks a little bit thicker so that there's no like breakage or it doesn't cause any like traction. Because I find that a lot of the times most people, the thinnest part of their hair is like your hairline. So you want to try to make those a little bit bigger. Okay, YouTube fam, we made it to the end. Here's the final product. He loves it. That's all that matters to me. And as far as the lock count, I ended with 120. Until next time, be blessed.